This method will help to identify both high and low outliers. That means if there is a data set, then it can identify outliers from both the sides. By side, I mean if you arrange the data set in descending order, that means from highest value or largest value to the smallest value, then both largest and smallest value can be a outlier. Now, some of the methods of outlier detection can identify only one side of the outlier. That is, either it can identify the higher side, that is the largest value side, or it can identify the outlier at the lower side, that means the smallest outlier side. But this method can identify both high and low outlier.